Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show how to find mean using a zoom mean method. Okay, here we have a question. Let's read the question. Using the zoom mean method, find the mean of the following. Here we have table, class interval and frequency. Class interval 0 to 10, frequency 7, 10 to 20, frequency 8, 20 to 30, frequency 12, 30 to 40, frequency 13, 40 to 50, frequency 10. To find mean using a zoom in method, we have to make a table having 5 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, here we have table containing 5 rows, 5 columns and 7 rows. The first column is for class interval, and the next column for mid value. The third column is for frequency, and then next column is for DI. DI stand for division, and the last column is for product of frequency and DI. Okay. Now collect the values which are given the question. Class interval 0 to 10. 0 to 10, and each frequency 7. Here, write it down. Then 10 to 20, its respective frequency 8. 20 to 30, frequency 12. 30 to 40, frequency 13. 40 to 50, frequency 10. This class interval and frequency are given in the question, so we don't need to calculate for that column. So the second column mid value, its symbol is xi. In this mid value, we have to take it from class interval. Class interval, here this side, the left side values are called lower limit, and the right side values are called upper limit. So to get this mid value, we have to add lower limits of the class and upper limits of the class, then divide it by 2. Let's add 0 plus 10 is 10, divide by 2, 5. 10 plus 20, 30, divide by 2, 15. 20 plus 30, 50, divide by 2, 25. 30 plus 40, 70, divide it by 2, 35. 40 plus 50, 90, divided by 2, 45. Now we have mid value. From this mid value, we have to assume a value for mean. So how to assume that mean? Let's see. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as mid value. The 5, from the 5 mid values we have to assume for the mean. So let's count, and the middle one should be our assumed mean. So 1, 2, 3. This, the third mid value is at the middle, so we have to assume this as our assumed mean. Okay. Then next column frequency, these are given the question, and the fourth column DI. DI stand for division, and it is given by xi minus a. This xi stand for mid value, and a stand for assumed mean. So here we have mid value. The first mid 5, 5. Now our assumed mean is 20. That means 5 minus 95 is 90. The second value 15. 15 minus, then our assumed mean is 5. So 15 minus 25 is minus 10. Next 25 minus, again a also 25. 25 minus 25 will be 0. 35 minus, assume mean is 25. 35 minus 25 is 10. 45 minus, assume mean 25. 45 minus 25 is 20. Now for the last column, we have to multiply this division and frequency, since this column is for the product of frequency and division. Fi stand for frequency, di stand for division. So multiply frequency and division. Let's multiply. 7 into minus 20 is minus 140. 8 into minus 10 minus 80. 12 into 0 0. 13 10 are 130. 10 into 20 is 200. Now we have product of frequency and division, but in this column we have negative and positive. So add negative number which are having minus sign together and the positive number at separate place. So we add positive number. 200 plus 130 is 330, and negative numbers. 140 plus 80 is 220. So this 220 is minus and this 330 is positive. Since they are positive, we have to subtract 220 from 330. 330 minus 220 will be 110. This is the sum of the product of frequency and division. Again, here also you have to add all the frequencies. Add here 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 12, 27. 27 plus 13, 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. Now we have frequency and sum of the product of frequency and division. Now using the formula, mean symbol is x bar is given by a plus summation frequency into division divided by summation frequency. So this a value we have here, a value is 25. A value 25, put the a value, then FIDI 110, 110, and FI 50. Now we have to divide 110 by 50. If we divide 110 by 50, we will get 2.2. Then add this 2.2 to 25. 25 plus 2.2 will be 27.2. So this is our required mean. Thank you.